Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update. And Bitcoin, as usual, we are trying to see and figure out what exactly we have here in store for us. And right now I'm going to actually shift into the daily, and today or the next 2-3 days is important for Bitcoin. And as far as I do see things, yeah, Bitcoin is actually trying to lose this support once again, but you still have 14 hours to close this candle. And if you close that candle, well, take out this stop loss right over here, go like this, and then boom, you're looking for a technical target all the way down here to those 24,000 levels as well. So keep in mind, I do believe you're going to have a very big target, and you might be looking for the top here to the bottom right there, and you move all the way down like this, and you might probably be even looking at $22,000 or $23,000, and that's where this whole pattern is going to be. And now it's almost looking like it's a descending triangle, but if I look at it in another way, I still kind of expect it to also be like a falling wedge. You know, this is one of the most trickiest pattern that you have right now. Honestly, you have all the reasons for the coin to go up, and you have a lot of reasons for the coin to start going down as well. Which side are you going to take? Some people are going to be biased on the downside, some people are going to be biased on the upside as well, and honestly you just don't know exactly which direction is it going to be. When I look at altcoins, as I said before, I do think that Bitcoin wants to do something where it makes people bearish right now with this pattern, invalidates the pattern, and tries to move up. That's my personal pick, which can be wrong, and I'm still looking for Bitcoin to probably take out this low right there and even come down to 24,000 and try to backtest a trend line right over here. On the weekly, if you go down to $24,000, you're going to be holding a massive support, and that is on the weekly. So if you look at the weekly, you do have this pattern right over there. Okay, so even if you're looking to come down to 22,000 and 24,000 levels, this is still going to be a very big support at the moment. And if you try to take that support out and you don't hold it, that's where you're looking for this lowest trend line moving right there, and the CME gap of 20,000 K. So all of this I am expecting for Bitcoin, but when I look at the altcoins, I'm like, if Bitcoin does something like that and moves from 26 all the way down to $18,000, what is going to happen to the altcoins? I mean, even if Bitcoin wanted to go down first, at least let the altcoins have a pump first, pump a little bit, go to the upside, take stop losses of the people who are actually bearish on altcoins right now. And when altcoins actually pump and they become over, and during that time Bitcoin doesn't do anything, Bitcoin goes sideways and the altcoins are actually pumping at the same time, so that when you come back to the Bitcoin department, it will make more sense that Bitcoin is actually looking to correct down, because the altcoins have already pumped to the upside and they're looking to go down. Right now altcoins are literally down, laying down the ground. Like the charts that you look at altcoins is something like this, boom and boom. That's just how altcoins are right now. So if you're looking for Bitcoin to go down, it doesn't make sense. You're looking for something like this and then something like that for the altcoins. That's going to be really bad. It's like a bear market within a bear market as well. Let's see what happens. I don't know what to say anymore. Just let me know what you have in mind, and 5 to 6 more days for the signals to close. Message me on Twitter if you want to join, and that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.